Hi guys, so today we're gonna be trying Silky Gems for the very first time, but right now I will not be doing an ASMR. And thank you so much, Silky Gem. I really love these. My first time trying these. Thank you so much. So today's flavor is gonna be horchata. It's like a drink, like a water drink. It's kind of agua de chata, but I'm Mexican, so like I'm half Mexican. So yeah. Let's try now. Look at how pretty this is. Time to get with the ASMR. Let's try it. Mmm. This is pretty good. It actually tastes like agua de chata. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.